Hi everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to install a printer using its IP address. This is a useful skill, especially when your printer isn't automatically detected. We'll go through the process step by step, making it easy to follow. First, you need to find your printer's IP address. This is usually found on a printed configuration page from the printer itself. Look for something labeled IP address, IPv4 address, or network configuration. If you can't find it on a printed page, you might be able to access it through the printer's menu on its control panel. Refer to your printer's manual for specific instructions on finding the IP address. Once you have the IP address, you are ready to install the printer on your computer. On a Windows computer, start by opening the control panel. You can usually find this by searching for it in the Windows search bar. In the control panel, find and click on Devices and Printers. Next, click on Add a Printer. Windows will start searching for printers. Since we are installing using an IP address, click on the printer that I want isn't listed. This will open a new window with several options. Select Add a Printer using a TCP IP address or hostname and click Next. In the next window, select TCP IP device from the Type of Device drop-down menu. In the hostname or IP address field, enter the IP address you found earlier. The port name field will automatically populate. Leave the Query the Printer and automatically select the driver to use box checked and click Next. Windows will then try to detect the printer. If it can't find the driver automatically, you'll need to select it manually. Choose the manufacturer and model of your printer from the lists provided. If your printer isn't listed, you might need to download the driver from the manufacturer's website. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the installation. You may be asked to give your printer a name. You can also set it as your default printer. Once the installation is complete, print a test page to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test page prints successfully, congratulations! You have successfully installed your printer using its IP address. If you encounter any issues, double-check the IP address you entered and make sure your printer is connected to the network. Also, make sure the printer is turned on. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.